This is pit bike paintball.
Oh, man, I'm hit. Oh, it hurts.
Are you okay, bro?
They're so cute.
The objective is to capture the flag and bring it back to your base. If you're hit, you have to respawn at your base. The only rule is everyone has to stay on their pit bike. I've recruited the best fighters in the world to my team. Raw the Reaper with his gold high-velocity rifle, tactical vest and gloves, and upgraded Razor SX 500. Jim the Juggernaut with his blue rifle, bulletproof armor, and upgraded Razor MX 650. This is my loadout. I got the helmet, the carbon fiber, knuckle protection, vest. This is an Icon stunt vest. But everything else is exposed, except for I got a cup over Sur Ronster, high-end paintball gun, and a freshly built MX 500 with the Electron Co. Ultimate kit on it, and a walkie-talkie to stay in touch with the gang. Yesterday, we flew to a remote airport in Northern California, then drove 2 hours into the wilderness, where we each have our own tiny home to stay in. Mine has 2 floors, a living room, kitchen stocked with food, and a ladder leading up to the lofted bed. The goats are outside chilling as the Electro van comes to scoop us. We're heading to the top secret Electro facility, where the 3 of us are unboxing our own Razor pit bikes. But we cannot go into battle on stock Razors, so we're stripping them down to the frame. All Razor upgrades are currently on sale, so I'm saving $50 on dirt wheels, $150 off my motor kit, $150 off the front forks, $20 off the rear shock, $150 off the front forks, $20 off the rear shock, $200 off the 72-volt battery, $25 off the brakes, and $10 off the bars, totaling over $600 in saving for each of the 3 bikes. It's never been cheaper to build a Razor, and we are now ready for battle.
Try to get him in, bro. We're bringing ammo to the base before we start the first round. This is gonna be challenging because we have to ride with just one hand and shoot with the left hand and only brake with the front. Oh my god, my kickstand's down. Oh, Jim's down. Jim's down.
Are you okay, bro? That front brake get you?
We are here.
All right, we're on our way. I was just talking about how hard it's gonna be to ride with one hand, and down goes Jim. We're at Electroland. This is all Electron Co's land. It's so beautiful. We're live. Let's get it. We're at a huge disadvantage. They know the home field, we don't. And these are speed guns, so they shoot super fast. This is such a dream for me. I've always wanted to do this, like either this or airsoft on dirt bikes in an open field. Oh, they're gonna be up here. Oh, riding with one hand's crazy. Might be behind me too. Oh, I'm hit. Chill. That hurt! Yo, enemy fire, Jim!
That hurt!
So I got hit in the chest, I got hit in the helmet, and I got nailed right in the 360 cam. I thought you were about to shoot at me, dude! This shit hurts! Even through the vest, it almost knocked the wind out of me. Hey, thanks for having my back like that, Jim.
We gotta just strategize.
Yeah, we do need
It's definitely faster to go that way, so I say we go that way all together and just empty our clips on them. Let's go. Round 2. I'm not nearly as scared anymore. I've already survived an onslaught, and I know my men are here to back me up, and I'm here to back them up. Left. Watch out, they come around this turn. Oh, enemy! My shit's not even turned on anymore! I'm shot! This shit stopped shooting like immediately. Fucking looped trying to get... No, they got the flag! Fuck you! This is the first ever pit bike paintball, so we just updated the rules. We closed off the other half of the map, and now instead of respawning at your base, you're just gonna count to 30. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! They're gonna come around this corner 100%. Jim, go for the flag! We got your back! They're coming around here! Go! Yeah, Raw. Oh, they're coming. I can hear them. No!
Oh, yeah, headshot.
Dude, my shit doesn't fucking work. Oh, there we go. Let's go! Let's go! Come on, Raw. Oh, they're shooting! They're shooting! Dude, this thing doesn't work. Bro, this fucking thing! Oh, there we go. Oh, it's over for you, bro. Oh, headshot! Oh, it fucking hurts! Ow! Ow, 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 ow. 19, 18, 2, 1. Let's go home, Jim, dude, he's under attack! Ow, it hurts! Ow! 30, 29, General! 2, 1. Oh, that's Jim! I was shooting Jim! No! Yes, I got him! I got him! Hey, Jim, where's the flag? Is it up there? I got the fire! Oh, shit! I'm under fire! Oh, shit! Ow! 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 That fucking hurts! You know it! I'm coming for you, bro!
That drew blood.
Let me see.
It's bleeding.
We were pretty close, dude.
I got hit right in the nose. I thought I had a blood.
It went through your helmet.
Right here.
Got it. And
Right above the camera. It was fire.
Who was that? Do you know who did that?
Probably Jim.
He doesn't realize I'm already at 30. Normally I reserve this for my wife, but for you.
Yellow on it.
Wait, so ours were the yellow, right?
Yeah.
So Jim, I shot you in
That means you
the
guys shot
little
against
Jimmy.
teammate too. See, good round, everybody. But we need to go harder.
3, 2, 1. Woo! Come on! I'm confident going into this. I have a new strategy. I'm not gonna shoot while I ride. I'm gonna stop and be accurate and intentional with every shot. I'm gonna get some cover behind here. I got the corner. Go for it, Raw. Hit, hit. Oh, he's going for my guys over there. Where's the flag? Oh, there's the flag. It's mine. I'm taking it. Oh, oh, that's you, Jim. Raw, I got you. I protect you. Get the flag. We got the flag. Bro, I'm not shooting anything. Nothing's coming out. Hit. Hit. I'm hit. I'm hit. That fucking hurt. Keep pushing. My shit's not working, bro. Hit, he's hit. Oh, Raw's down. Ow, hit. Ow, fuck. Ow, hit. 9, 8, 3, 2. I'm back. 1. Oh, shit. Dude, I just got clobbered. Right in the dome. I can taste it. The paint went through the helmet.
I got shot in the dick by you.
My bad, bro.
You hit me twice.
I'm sorry, dude.
You're not.
It's a beautiful sunset. We got a final chance at redemption here at the first ever pit bike paintball. This is exactly as fun as I was expecting it to be, which is a mix between my inner child living his dream and me being an adult terrified of getting shot in the dick. I want to eat these, dude. They look so yummy. Jim, you are just getting shot by everybody.
Especially you.
The last battle was the most epic one, but I tragically lost my footage. We were getting hit hard, and at this point, I only had 3 paintballs left, holding our line while Jim and Raw retreated to our base to reload. I heard the flag was captured and decided to charge with my last 3 shots. Around this corner, I used my very last shot to hit Austin off his bike and claim the flag. It was an epic comeback, but I was still under heavy fire as I retreated. Luckily, I had Raw defending the base.
Let's go. You better get back before you get shot. Tell the rest of your team too. Not even come this way.
Tonight, we're cleaning the guns for tomorrow's battle. I sat on the excavator to get above this massive burn pile with a jug of gasoline. It's cold out, so the paintballs are extra hard this morning. The fire still burns from last night, just like my thirst for brains. This is Pit Bike Paintball Zombies. The rules are simple. Everyone starts on a bike except for one zombie who just has a gun. I'll be the first zombie. If you hit someone on the bike, they're now infected. They lose their bike and they get a gun. The remaining bikes have to run away to survive. The game starts in 10 seconds. Oh, let's go. They're confined within this pasture. I'm going for Raw. He's my first target. I need a strong zombie to back me up once I have a partner. I'm going straight for him. Oh yeah, I got you, dude. Nolan. Austin. Hit. His son's the last player out.
3, 2, 1, go.
Raw's the zombie. This is scary. I hope he doesn't come back for me the way I came for him. Jim always trying to cut me off, I swear. He's running towards me. Right under the helmet, dude. Went under the helmet. Oh, they're running right towards me. Kevin, you're mine. Austin's up there laughing, not for long. Let's go! I was two tapping your ass, bro. I was like, yeah. Oh, that's you, that's you.
That's what.
Oh. Dude, Jim's still over there.
F you guys.
Jim's still over there. We thought we were done. He's still hiding.
Ow!
Are you hit or not? Are you hit?
Yes! Bastard! What the f?
Alright, Jim the zombie. Show mercy.
You handed in your mercy card.
Are you hit?
You didn't put your hand up.
Bro!
I'm scared Jim's gonna shoot me in the
Alright, you guys 10-second warning.
I'm just gonna get as far away as possible because Jim's injured. He can't run.
Let's bullshit.
Hey! Sur Ronster goes last.
Run, get on, get on! Or we getting shot, we're getting shot!
Wait, guys, wait. Yeah, hold on. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Hold your fire.
I need to go up into power mode. Oh my god, they're all coming for me. Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh stop!
I just returned returned to LA and got the first ever factory red E-Ride Pro 3.0. I'm going for a ride with Blackout, the biggest moto vlogger in Germany, taking him to the Hollywood sign and watching him commit a rookie mistake. Today I'm judging the fat bike wheelie competition. I'm greeted by 3 security guards who are escorting me through the shop and into the event. It's so cool to see how much the sport's grown, and it was an honor to judge the riders. The winner got a free E-Ride Pro 3.0. In this video, we invented a new sport, pit bike paintball. This is just the beginning. If you have ideas for new rules or games, I'm all ears. This will certainly not be the last time you hear about pit bike paintball. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. Stay tuned.
Yeah.